Hi, my name is Daniel Mora. I'm a senior product designer at GitLab, and today I want to talk a little bit about a feature that I'm looking at to try and make better. The feature will be this particular settings in the account management page. So this section of block user, and delete user and contributions. So looking at this page is kind of messy. This user administration content takes up a lot of screen real estate. This looks like user information data. Obviously, we see the name, profile, email address, etc. We also have some primary action buttons here. The impersonate button, which would allow an admin to basically impersonate or access a member's account information to check in on it to see if they're having a difficulty or any sort of problems within their environment. As well as the edit button. This is something that's kind of confusing. My assumption initially would be if I click on the edit button, I would be able to immediately just change this data here. However, that's not the case. It actually takes you to an entirely different screen where you can change some of the aspects that are visible and some that are not visible. So what I'd like to do is try and see if I can make this screen here better or more user-friendly. So we look at the primary section, or the primary way that you access that information would just be the member list. For example, we have all of our members here. We have the same edit button, which takes us to this screen here. And we have this toggle button, which allows us to, widget button, that allows us to access the same features we were looking at just here. This is actually kind of strange because, for example, if you click on one, it gives us a modal pop-up with a bunch of information. That's functionally the same information we're seeing here. Again, it does pop up the same modal whenever you click on that screen or that button. However, it feels kind of redundant. So I want to know if maybe we can just take this button and drop it on the screen here on this edit to allow some more features or to condense all this data and clean it up, making it a little bit easier to use. As well, perhaps rethink this edit screen if we can make it more logical, or is this just the way that it has to be? So that's this issue that I'm working on, and I look forward to any feedback you have on it.